Are you tired of feeling like a slave to your impulses and desires? Do you struggle to stay focused and in control of your actions? In this video, we will explore the powerful teachings of Stoicism and how you can apply them to your daily life to become more disciplined, focused, and resilient. Step 1. Begin with yourself. The Stoic philosophy places a significant emphasis on self-awareness and personal responsibility, which forms the foundation of self-discipline. Beginning with oneself is a crucial step in making self-discipline your superpower. This involves understanding your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and taking responsibility for them. Self-awareness is the ability to observe and understand your own thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It is about being mindful of your internal state and how it influences your actions and reactions. In Stoicism, this is seen as a prerequisite for self-discipline. Know, first, who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. To cultivate self-awareness, practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This will help you identify patterns, understand your triggers, and recognize areas where you need to exercise self-discipline. Stoicism teaches that while we may not have control over external events, we always have control over how we respond to them. This is the essence of personal responsibility, recognizing and exercising our power to choose. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This means that regardless of the circumstances, you have the ability to choose your thoughts, emotions, and actions. By taking responsibility for these, you can cultivate self-discipline. Another important aspect of beginning with yourself is self-acceptance. This involves acknowledging and accepting your imperfections, weaknesses, and limitations. It's about understanding that you are a work in progress, capable of growth and change. Stoicism encourages us to accept ourselves as we are, while striving to become better. Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do happen, and you will go on well. This perspective can help you approach self-discipline with kindness and patience rather than harsh self-criticism. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. This means striving to live according to your values, even when it's difficult or unpopular. By focusing on self-improvement, you can develop self-discipline as a means to become the best version of yourself. Beginning with yourself is a multifaceted process that involves self-awareness, personal responsibility, self-acceptance, and self-improvement. It's about understanding who you are, taking responsibility for your thoughts and actions, accepting your imperfections, and committing to growth and improvement. Step 2. Remember why you want to be disciplined. In the pursuit of self-discipline, the why holds immense power. It is the driving force that propels us forward, helping us overcome obstacles and stay committed to our goals. Stoicism, with its emphasis on purpose and intention, provides valuable insights into the importance of understanding why we want to be disciplined. If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable. This metaphor underscores the necessity of having a clear destination or purpose. Without a why, our efforts towards self-discipline can feel aimless and unmotivated, like a ship tossed about by the winds without a clear course. Your why is deeply personal and unique to you. It could be a desire to improve your health, advance in your career, cultivate better relationships, or achieve financial stability. Whatever it is, it should be something that deeply resonates with you, something that you are willing to work hard for and make sacrifices for. Once you have identified your why, it's important to keep it at the forefront of your mind. This can be achieved through regular reflection and reminder practices. For instance, you could write down your why and place it somewhere you'll see it often, like your desk or mirror. Alternatively, you could set reminders on your phone or incorporate it into your daily affirmations. Remembering your why serves two main purposes. Firstly, it provides motivation. When faced with challenges or temptations, recalling your why can provide the necessary push to stay disciplined. It reminds you of what you're working towards and why it's important to you. Secondly, It offers a sense of direction. In the face of countless distractions and competing priorities, your why can serve as a guiding star, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. It enables you to prioritize effectively, allocating your time and energy towards activities that align with your purpose. It's important to note that your why is not set in stone. As you grow and evolve, so too might your reasons for wanting to be disciplined. Regular introspection can help you stay attuned to these changes, ensuring that your why remains relevant and meaningful to you. Stoicism encourages us to align our why with our values. This means striving for goals that not only benefit us, but also contribute positively to the world around us. In this way, our pursuit of self-discipline becomes a journey of personal growth and positive impact. Step 3. Treat yourself for doing well. The first step towards treating yourself well is recognizing your achievements. No matter how small they may seem, every step forward is worth celebrating. This recognition validates your efforts and reinforces the value of hard work and discipline. The key to rewarding yourself is appropriateness. The reward should be meaningful and proportionate to the achievement. It could be anything from a quiet moment of reflection, a favorite meal, or time spent on a hobby. The goal is to create a positive association with your achievements, reinforcing your commitment to self-discipline. Balance is key in Stoicism. While it's important to celebrate your achievements, it's equally important to stay grounded and focused on your goals. Remember, the ultimate reward is not the external gratification, but the inner satisfaction of knowing you've done your best and stayed true to your values. Rewards can serve as powerful motivators. They can help you overcome challenges and stay committed to your goals. However, it's important to ensure that the rewards don't become the primary motivation. Never let the future disturb you. You will meet it, if you have to, with the same weapons of reason which today arm you against the present. In treating yourself well, don't forget the practice of gratitude. Be thankful for your achievements, the lessons learned, and the opportunities for growth. Gratitude fosters contentment and helps keep things in perspective. Always remember your purpose. Your rewards should align with your values and contribute to your overall goal. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Treating yourself well is an integral part of cultivating self-discipline. It's about recognizing your achievements, rewarding yourself appropriately, maintaining balance, using rewards as motivation, practicing gratitude, and remembering your purpose. By incorporating these practices into your journey, you can make self-discipline your superpower, guided by the wisdom of Stoicism. Step 4. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are not seen as failures or setbacks, but rather as valuable lessons that can help us grow and improve. The Stoics believe that it is through our mistakes that we learn the most about ourselves and the world around us. Therefore, it is crucial to adopt a mindset that embraces mistakes and uses them as stepping stones towards greater self-discipline and wisdom. The first step in learning from your mistakes is to acknowledge them. This might seem obvious, but it can be surprisingly difficult. Our natural tendency is often to deflect blame or make excuses for our mistakes. Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. By accepting our mistakes, we take the first step towards learning from them. Learning from your mistakes is to use them as a catalyst for growth. This means not only correcting the immediate mistake, but also using it as an opportunity to improve yourself. For example, if you made a mistake because of a lack of knowledge, you might decide to educate yourself on the topic. Or if your mistake was due to a character flaw, you might work on cultivating the opposite virtue. As Seneca wrote, we should always allow some time to elapse, for time discloses the truth. With time and reflection, you can turn your mistakes into valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. It's important to note that learning from your mistakes is not a one-time process. It's a continuous cycle of acknowledgement, analysis, rectification, and growth. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow, and each lesson learned can help you become more disciplined and resilient. Learning from your mistakes requires patience and persistence. It's easy to get discouraged when you make a mistake, especially if it's a repeat offense. But remember, growth is not a linear process. It's full of ups and downs, steps forward and steps back. What's important is not that you never make mistakes, but that you learn from them and use them to become better. By acknowledging your mistakes, analyzing them, rectifying them, and using them as a catalyst for growth, you can turn your mistakes into valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. It's important to note that learning from your mistakes is not a one-time process. It's a continuous cycle of acknowledgement, analysis, rectification, and growth. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow, and each lesson learned can help you become more disciplined and resilient. Learning from your mistakes requires patience and persistence. It's easy to get discouraged when you make a mistake, especially if it's a repeat offense. But remember, growth is not a linear process. It's full of ups and downs, steps forward and steps back. What's important is not that you never make mistakes, but that you learn from them and use them to become better. By acknowledging your mistakes, analyzing them, rectifying them, and using them as a catalyst for growth, you can turn your mistakes into valuable lessons that help you grow and improve. Step 5. Think differently about willpower. Stoicism teaches us to view obstacles not as hindrances, but as opportunities for growth. Every challenge you face is a chance to exercise your willpower and strengthen it. So, instead of avoiding difficulties, embrace them. Remember, the more you use your willpower, the stronger it becomes. Mindfulness is a key aspect of Stoicism. It involves being fully present in the moment and aware of your thoughts and feelings. By practicing mindfulness, you can better understand your desires and impulses, making it easier to exercise self-control. Patience is a virtue highly valued in Stoicism. It is the ability to endure hardship and delay gratification. Cultivating patience can help you resist immediate temptations in favor of long-term goals, thereby strengthening your willpower. A growth mindset, as opposed to a fixed mindset, is the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This aligns with the Stoic view of willpower. By adopting a growth mindset, you can see setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than as failures. Regular reflection is a cornerstone of Stoicism. It involves looking back on your actions and decisions, learning from them, and planning for the future. This practice can help you understand your strengths and weaknesses in relation to willpower, enabling you to make improvements. Stoicism does not advocate for self-deprivation or harsh self-criticism. Instead, it encourages balance and moderation. This includes being kind to yourself when you slip up. Remember, developing willpower is a process, and setbacks are a natural part of it. Stoicism places great emphasis on wisdom, which is the ability to make good judgments based on knowledge and experience. By seeking wisdom, you can make better decisions, thereby conserving and effectively using your willpower. Thinking differently about willpower involves viewing it as a muscle that can be strengthened, embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, practicing mindfulness and patience, developing a growth mindset, reflecting regularly, practicing self-compassion, and seeking wisdom.